Hello and welcome to Community Chats. Today on the show we talk all things disaster recovery. So Rob, what is disaster recovery?
Disaster recovery is a way that customers make sure their production systems are running nearly constantly. So think about the event of a natural disaster in the location of your data center or power going off for your data center.
So what are some considerations that customers have for DR solutions?
Things like recovery time objective and recovery point objective are usually the primary considerations. So recovery time objective you can understand as the amount of time that you're fine with a production system being down. So you might have a very low recovery time objective for your production database. And the recovery point objective is basically how accurate data has to be up to a specific time limit. So you might say I can have data from the last minute missing when my disaster recovery solution brings back my database.
And as a solution architect, what services do you recommend for disaster recovery?
So for disaster recovery, we have a really great offering called Cloud Endure that's very price effective, and it works across almost all systems. Basically just replicates the storage, and if something goes wrong, you can build up a solution to automate bringing your environment back up. But I also encourage the customers look at our partner offerings and sometimes even consider why they're looking at disaster recovery in the first place. A lot of the time it points to not using AWS managed solutions, and oftentimes these managed solutions can reduce the overhead of thinking about this disaster recovery.
Thank you so much, Rob.